Ruckus Wireless is a US-based Wi-Fi company, at least Wi-Fi only today. We have made some announcements here, and you can expect to see us move into sort of licensed spectrum technology as well within our small cell technology. But we've been around for 7 years. We're still privately held. Doubled our revenue year on year. As I mentioned, we're now very profitable. We started life in the CPE business, building in-home distribution for IPTV. Very successful. We have a sort of 100% market share for the IPTV over Wi-Fi market, and the differentiator, the company was based on the premise of building a solution to do that, and the way. The reason that we're successful and the reason we entered that market is just we do clever things with smart antennas. So Ruckus Wireless is known as a company that does clever things with smart antennas. About 5 years ago, we made the decision to not so much leave the CPE business, but to take the technology that we had and apply it to what I would describe as the business world. And business world really means the small, medium business, but also the carrier space. I mean, originally it was a small, medium business market. We made a conscious decision not to address Fortune 500 type accounts, not because the technology isn't suitable for those accounts, it's eminently suitable for those accounts. We just made a decision from a commercial standpoint that it would be easier to go after small, medium businesses than focus on accounts where some other vendors may be very heavily focused. And that's proved to be hugely successful for us. We've got a global channel of probably getting on for 5,000 channel partners now. But originally it was for what we would describe as wireless broadband access, so what you might have previously thought of as metro Wi-Fi for the North American market, that kind of came and went. That market's still very valid, especially in emerging markets in Asia and South America and places like that. So we did stuff in that space, but that's also a very cost competitive, and not a great deal of value add looked for or desired. It's kind of the lowest price wins. But whilst we're in that space, the whole opportunity for 3G offload, which is really the buzzword and why we're here at Mobile World Congress, and that is emerging to be a huge opportunity for Wi-Fi and the whole small cell market, and we can talk to that. But we see that as a massive opportunity, and we're I'm glad to say recognised as one of the players, if not the player, who is at the forefront of that. For the last 2 years, I think we've been named the fastest growing enterprise Wi-Fi vendor by I can't remember whether it's Gartner or Deloro, but either way, the market numbers are out there. So we've been the fastest growing in the enterprise space. Just so happens that our carrier business has actually been growing even faster than our enterprise business. Last year, the ratio was more like 70-30. This last year 60-40. This year maybe 50-50. We'll see. But we still expect to see a very healthy growth clip on our enterprise business, and we fingers crossed will be the fastest growing enterprise vendor again.